Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back here in Timberland Highland Resort here in San Mateo, Rizal. So dito ay kung gusto nyo ipasyal, i-treat yung family nyo, mag-anak kayo or any activity or celebration ay napakaganda rito sa may Timberland Heights or Timberland Highland Resort. So bali hindi nyo na kailangang lumayo pa dito lang sa may dito lang sa may Rizal. Ang kagandahan po nito, it is located or situated in a highland area at makikita po ninyo yung view ng Metro Manila, especially during the night. Napakaganda. At ito, kinukunan ko na lang yung way or yung kalsada. Private road siya at saka napaka lawak, safe. Talagang very conducive na mag-travel mula sa inyo or kung saan man kayo galing papunta rito sa may Timberland Highland Resort. Yan po yung view ng Metro Manila, the glittering lights and the dazzling light of the metro during the night. So yan, kinunan ko na lang para at least ay magkaroon po kayo ng idea and makikita po ninyo and ma-share po ninyo tong video na to if you're planning to book or some kind of a getaway here in Timberland Highland Resort.